This is Nature Center Part 2, and welcome you to the second video. Well, there's some bird houses here. There's some right there, one right there. I have to walk still because my mom.
I'm walking up ahead.
Akila, stay down back here. It's okay. There's some bird houses like that. There's some bird house like right there. And I'm moving to California soon. I don't know. It's a house right there. Nope. When I move, there's the black trails, some grass. It's right there.
You might be able to watch some of my videos, but
There.
they're gonna be bad.
Goose.
Might not be.
There's my Kila. And there's a heart one right there. Some other ones back there.
Right, that's
There's a deer here. It's boiling. Horns. You can see the
I'm pretty sure you can all know if it's later as well.
Is his tail still here? His little tail?
Probably.
Yeah. Guys, we're gonna come show you the birds. There's a lot of cool birds here. Sorry about the bars, but there's a bird right there. If you can tell, that's a bird. See that bird right there? Caw, caw. My favorite bird here is over there, but let's see if there's a bird here. Yep, there's a bird right there. He's staring at you guys. Where did he go? Can't turn on camera, Scoot. There. You can see him just right there. And we're going to show you his name's Casson. I don't know if you could read that. Comment down below.
So that one, so one you're just looking at is a Persian falcon, and the one you just looked at was a Harris hawk. The next one is a red-tailed hawk.
Let's go look at the red-tailed hawk. Is she having babies up there?
She probably is hiding babies. Her name is Samson.
She's right there. She's like putting her wing out.
Pretty birdie. Samson.
Yeah, there's nothing right there.
I know. I saw her name. Pretty birdie.
You're beautiful. Now we're gonna go to the next. This is an owl. Her name is Luna, and she's a bear owl.
She's really pretty. She's staring at us though.
Really pretty. In person, it's much beautifuler.
Much
Next
beautiful.
animal. Kronk, are you back? Are you back? So this is what he would usually do. Kronk, are you back? And then he would go like that.
When he do this,
Kind of. Kronk, are you back? You back? Kronk, are you back?
I feel like he thinks that we're feeding him.
No, he doesn't think that.
I know, but look at his mouth.
It's okay.
Who knows? We don't know what he's thinking. He could.
Kronk, are you back? Are you back? Are you back?
Oh, he's not doing it.
He's not. His name's Kronk, as you can see.
Aww.
And he's a crane and a raven.
American.
And there's a very cute, his name is Almusa. Actually, it's Carla. It's a very tiny bird. Where is she?
Small owl.
You can't really see her there. See her? She's very pretty.
There's a very small owl over here.
Hi. It's hard to see.
her.
There's a pole right in front of her, so.
And her name is.
Yeah.
What's her name again?
Look at
Des.
her in the eyes.
Come here. Des.
She won't do it.
Des.
What's his name again?
This one's. I think this is Sunny.
Sunny.
His name is Grandmother.
Grandmother.
And the other one over there
Grandmother.
was Sundance, I guess.
I don't know. I'm trying to get it to.
Well, guys, we're going to end the video right here. We're not done here, but I'm ending the video.
Are we gonna do another one?
Bye. No.